want to name the bitterness. Like a toddler crying for mom's breast milk. I saw tears race down her bony face. She was pensive and motionless, like she was lost in space. She then broke the silence, screaming out, "I'm such a big disgrace." I quickly interjected, "Honey, what's wrong?" She yelled, "Get the hell out of my space." All you men are just the same. Cheat, lies, you all take love for a game. I hate men forever. Shoulda killed Trevor, yeah, put a bullet through his brain. Baby, y'all take this too far now. Are you drunk or insane? Craig, you're not gonna understand me, you can't feel my pain. I was raped when I was 9, which really shattered my mind. A decade after, I tried to move on to get myself back in line. I thought Tom was the best thing, until he slept with my sister. So he had sex with his best friend and WhatsApp in the flipping picture. All my life I've been hurt. I later started attending church, searching for comfort, but life grew worse. Few months after, she was impregnated by the comforting pastor. Threatened to do an abortion or else her life would be disaster. I tried to convince her, telling her she's still precious and worth more than diamonds and gold. She says she still hates men. Her heart is now cold. I offered a hug. She squeezed me tightly, then whispered, "Thank you, Mr. Kirkland, for attempting to make me feel lively. But how will I live with the fact of knowing that I'm infected with HIV?" The bitterness. To all our athletes and icons, I say congratulations. The problem I encountered every day with my own race, but mine and envy smiling at my own face. Sneaking the creep, really want to take my own space. Unkind so unkind, ignorance thrown face. Love has gone below 0 degrees, frozen so stayed. Pensive in my thoughts, mind traveling zone space. My girlfriend won't even have sex with me, vex with me, says she want time alone space. Try to get her attention focused on her phone face. Nowadays we can't even relate but display more hate. Anger escalate, too much alarming crime rates. The more slow than the TB AIDS, and that concern me. What kind of society gonna exist in about 2030? Social media is like cancer, feeding on your souls. Implemented to prevent you from achieving on your goals. Illusion and confusion make you losing what you own. Don't lose yourself, be yourself. Remember you're not alone. So what, can I get some love now? Oh, sorry. Guess you love your phones. Most of us don't understand how essential life is. But still don't gonna waste time and I know what time really is. If only one understood how powerful the mind is, perhaps you'll comprehend how nonsensical hype is. Marcus Garvey say unite. So why we separate? Why we still a fight? Why so many AIDS? Can religion and politician make my people elevate? Like Mariam said, one love. Them are gonna tie up the cemetery. Some don't tell them precisely. Some are celebrating from Red Pan and we still not big up to the people about turn up. Michelle, big up yourself. Michelle, back with a big up yourself. I'm gonna kick them off with my name is Pam. I always say no to domestic abuse. But the woman them special and them priceless. I have some boys that go around in a ill treat and a disrespect our ladies them. And the woman that make we there so right now. When they're ready, just make it play. Carried enough respect in it. Yeah man, kick it out. So I'm going to drop 2 more pieces and then the DJ will go and play some tunes. And then we come back and go to part second. So before you run the My Name is Pam. Before you run it, I have one more and get a acapella again. And there are times in life when I make some mistakes. No matter feel like say, you are the first. We needed to make some money, I'm going to tell her say merch from them. Sufferation starts, see it and I work again. The girl if you want gone, oh my gosh, she's hurt my friend. I walk in here, yeah them. And she said it really hurt my friend. Some careless girl out the road, so they're gonna call it jerk again. It's up to you, king, if you really want to go in a church, my friend. But see the guns and load them out. You know I hear say them your burst again. Learn from a mistake, cause you still not the worst, my friend. There were times in life, you do something stupid, nobody feel like say, you are the worst. There were times in life when you make some mistakes, nobody feel like say, you are the first. This girl jump out of school and for real, but it vexed with that. I did that by her side, I'm gonna give her some progressive chat. Girl, time I get serious, get involved in some successful acts. Few months time she breathe, too much sex to that. She don't know how to pick the father, end up on a few guests for that. Her mother kick her out of the house and say, look somewhere else for catch. She tell me she want dash for the belly. I say, no, you John are blessed for that. You have life, have hope, see success, stretch that. My name is Bob. Hey. Some say no to domestic abuse. The woman them special and them priceless. I'm going to tell all females here they're abusing their face and running in the relationship because it's not going to work. You're not destroy yourself and get stressed and depressed. Quality, big up yourself. Tom was sad and sulky because Roy always made her cry. He was too busy being a boisterous bully, plus a sour selfish guy. She was somewhat bewildered, tears rained from her weeping eyes. Her relationship wasn't smooth sailing, so she told him goodbye. He yelled, hey, if you ever leave, damn, you're gonna die. I'm the one who made you and I'll break you. Go on if you wanna try. The nosy neighbor from next door shouted, somebody, call police. She was by her usual spot, at the zinc fence where she peed. Miriam was too busy taking a selfie to share a Facebook post. Then suddenly started recording and virally shared it the most. The preaching pastor came praying, but counseling never worked. Pam ran away the following day when Roy was out for work. She later found Nick, who gave her firm attention. She enjoyed having sex, but oops, no protection. A few months later she was pregnant, no baby father was around. Her mind went googling, but Dick was never found. Billy shortly took her up and offered for her to be his bride. She was more than delighted and promised never to leave his side. He thought he was the baby's father, happiness displayed evidently in his eyes. Billy felt silly when he found out it wasn't so, and later committed suicide. Pam never had a good education. She sold back juice to make ends meet. A few months after she gave birth, she was selling her body on the streets. Life journey got intricate. She prayed and said, oh God, I can't take no more. A year after she bought a car. Some people call her whore. She then later furthered her education because she knew she wanted to soar. Now can you guess and tell me who is the janitor at her self-owned clothing store? It was a pleasure being here. As women said, DJ I go play. I will drop back some more things. Enough respect. Thanks for having me. You shall big up yourself. Black Viper, big up.
Okay, viewers, fans, friends, my family, them, subscribers, everybody, thanks so much for watching. Please do feel absolutely free to drop us your comment and be kind to leave a feedback. Yeah, comment, like, share, and tell others about it. And also remember to hit the notification bell if you want to be updated on what's new. Talking about what's new, go and go check out Amaziyah, the great collections. Me have whole heap of merchandise, I'm going with a bag of things. Enough t-shirt designs, don't tell them precisely. Available on Teespring. Enough people are talking about it, but go and go look for yourselves. Links will be in the description below. We have tabs for females, males, babies, cups, phone cases, etc. Mr. Go and go look now. Follow Amaziyah, the great collection on IG and like us on Facebook. If you haven't watched My Name is Pam before, features my sister Quality. Please do go and go watch it and share it as it relates to domestic abuse against women and a woman's struggle through it to independence. Also remember to check out Amaziyah, the great music on Amazon, Spotify, Tidal, Deezer, Google Play. It's everywhere.